right, tell me what we're doing, Evan.
We're going to make that bottle shoot up in the air.
Okay. All right. You gotta pump quick.
Put 2 feet on the thing, on the pump.
Put both feet on the pump.
Both feet on the pump.
Watch out, Caleb.
Both feet on the pump. There you go.
It's really...
Back up.
Back up, Caleb.
Back up.
Still...
Back. Pump, pump,
Pump hard. Pump hard.
Fast. Pump hard. Give 5.
Woohoo!
Maybe if we had more tape, it would have more pressure so it'd go higher.
Oh, okay. We can try that. Caleb, your turn.
Still love in this bucket.
Let me fill it up. Buddy.
Okay, Caleb. Wait for Dad to put it on there. Okay, step back, Kevin.
Pump, Caleb.
Okay, start pumping. Pump hard. Quick, quick.
I'll help you. I'll hold on to it. You just pump.
Pump, Caleb, pump. Pump quick. Come pump as fast as you can. Go, Caleb, go. Go, Caleb, go.
Keep pumping.
Fast as you can.